is just a brief video showing what Olhos De Agua is like. The beach is really nice. I'm only showing it brief here, but I will do a better video showing what it's like right along. It's really pretty with gorgeous red cliffs. So if you want to see the beach more in depth, have a look at my next video. Olhos De Agua is a little fishing town in Albufeira. It's got a nice little quaint feel. So this is basically the main part of the town. This is where most of the restaurants and bars are. But you walk straight up this road and then there's another little square with a few more places to eat or drink. We come here in April and it was before the main tourist season started, so it was quite quiet and a lot of places weren't open yet. So if you're going during the main season, I think you'll find a lot more going on and a lot more lively, although it will still be quiet because it is a little town. We found the prices quite reasonable as well. The piri piri chicken was amazing in every restaurant we ate. We didn't have a bad meal, and I'd say on average you pay around €10 for the piri piri chicken, but yeah, the food was lovely. I'll let you watch for now. I hope you enjoy the video. and that's about it. If you want to see more of the beach, that video will be coming up soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.